welcome back to my IGTV channel. My name is Leah from Rap Like Leah, and if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to do a bow tie with your headscarf or head wrap, and that's it. Is it bad? That's all I have to say about it. We're going to learn how to do a bow. Maybe it does what it says on the tin. Let us learn the bow. So you have your headscarf. We're going to make it thin. So what you need to do is fold the top down to the middle, fold the bottom over the top. Easier to do it on a flat surface if you just want to adjust that now. You can put it on an ironing board, run an iron over it if you want to make sure it's secure. You've got your scarf folded in those three sections to make it thin. So now that side with the hem is the bit that's going underneath and touching your head. From there, we're going to take them up to the top, and then we're just going to do a tie as normal. You do want to make sure though that you are pulling one of these pieces to the front, because that's how you're going to make your bow nice and central and facing front. So obviously, as always, adjusting from there, making sure it feels comfortable for you. So now we're going to get that back tie. You can see it's the back one, and we're just going to fold it. So it's pointing towards the other way. So that is the fold in the fabric there, where my finger is. From here, you're going to bring that front one over the back. And then there's a hole in here. So you're just going to pull that through that hole. And then adjust it. Make sure you don't pull it too suddenly like I just did. Because what you want to do is actually pull it from the other side. So where the ends aren't, you want to find the other part of the bow. And you want to pull it from there, because that makes it really nice and tight and secure. And then you can keep pulling out the other side until you are happy with it. Now you can either wear your bow small like this, or if you want to be a bit more statement, you can actually open it up. So you get a nice big bow there, and you can do that on the other side as well. Then I have a tendency to just keep fiddling with mine until I'm happy with it. So you can do the same. And there you have your bow. Now, I hope that was helpful and I hope that was clear. If it wasn't, please feel free to just drop me a message, because obviously while I've got all this time, I do want to be making the best kind of tutorials for you as possible. So then obviously you can sit at home and you can just start practicing. So then when, you know, it's all lifted, you can go out and about with your new headscarf on. But as always, stay safe, wash your hands and wear a headscarf. And check out my Etsy store.